Which of the following are injections or surjections or bijections? Justify your answer. Solution. We need to determine whether the given function are injection or one-to-one function, surjection onto function, or bijection both one-to-one and onto function. First one is a function f r to are defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 by 3. Now we need to prove whether it is injection or surjection. Injection. Assume f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Then substitute x is equal to x1 to x1 by x1 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2x2 plus 1 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled. 2x1 plus 2x2 is equals to 2x1 is equal to 2x2. That implies x1 is equal to x2. So it is injection. Now we need to prove surjection. For any y belongs to R, we need to find an x such that f of x is equal to y. So 2x1 plus 1 by 3 is equals to y. Here f of x is equals to y. So 2x plus 1 by 3 is equals to y. 2x1 plus 1 is equal to 3y. 2x is equals to 3y minus 1. X is always a real number. So it is injection and surjection. So both the bijection.